Hey everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I am in another different setup. I'm still trying to figure out where I like filming in my room. It's still a little bit confusing on where I want to, but hi, long time no see. So today I'm going to be doing my January BoxyCharm. Happy New Year, by the way. I'm very excited to be doing the first box of the new year, and so yeah, let's get on into it. Don't want to see any products yet. It's Rock 2018. That is the theme for this month. And I think this is a very thought out theme. I think that's very cute. So here's how it looks in the box. I just dropped one of the products, but let me pick that up. Okay, so this is how it looks in the box. I do not want anything to fall out, but this is how it all looks. So the first thing I got was the Luminizer Primer by Dr.Brandt. It's not a silicone-y type of primer. It does smell very good, kind of florally, and I actually really like the scent. And yeah, it's actually not silicone-y, which is different for me because I do like silicone primers. But I'm very excited. It does have a little bit of like that glittery look to it, so it is going to illuminize under your foundation. And next thing we're going to go ahead and do is get this eyeshadow palette out. And this eyeshadow palette is made by Crown Brush, and I do have some of Crown Brush's brushes. And so yeah, so this is the Glam Meadows eyeshadow palette, and so yeah, I think it's very nice packaging, very cute, definitely matches the theme. Whoops. Ooh, oh my god, I'm loving this. First, you have a mirror. You guys know I love mirrors on all my palettes. I think it is so useful to have a mirror, so I'm trying not to, glare too much, but this is the shape of a guitar, and it's very cute, very nice. And also, the shades are all very shimmery. Let me swatch my favorite shade, which is going to be this Wild Thing color. I feel like I do have colors like this, but look at how nice. They're very pigmented. Doesn't kick up powder. It's very nice. I really like it, and I'm very excited to try out more of this. It's Brow Power. It's the Universal Brow Pencil, and I'm excited. I have not tried It Cosmetics that much. It says, "You are beautiful, you are it." Oh, how cute. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take this out. I hope this is my right shade. Hoping it'll fit me. I don't know. I'm gonna have to try it out on my actual brows. I have something on right now, so I don't want to disrupt it, but this is the Brow Power. I've heard a lot about this product. I'm not very used to using pencil. Hi, welcome back. Pencil brow stuff, so I'm gonna give this a try. And also it comes with a spoolie, which really helps. I love little spoolies for your brows. And yeah, so I think this is a very cute, handy product. I'm very excited to try the brand and the product itself because I'm not very used to things like this. Now the next thing is this. Oh my god, I'm not gonna be able to pronounce this, but the packaging is absolutely beautiful. I think it is very pretty. This is Galactic Lip Matte Lip Paint in Demure. Absolutely in love with this packaging. And here it is. Very pretty. Has this metallic gold, like, I don't even know what color this is, like a bronzy, like rose goldy color. Very pretty. And then the paint itself is very nice, very wearable color. I like it a lot. It's not like a shade I have. I don't usually go and buy myself these types of shades. I really don't. I might actually put some on right now. I have a Buxom lip gloss on, so let's see how this goes. More nudish on the lips, which I really appreciate. I think it looks very pretty. I don't know if you can actually see right now. It's not to its full potential yet, but I'm actually very in love with this color. I'm going to see how long it takes to dry down, and yeah, and then we'll see if there's any smudges when I fully let it dry down, and I'm very excited about this. Very, very pretty shade. It matches the theme quite a lot. Okay. And the last thing in this box is the Pure Bronze and Brighten. And this is one of the products that I saw pictures of on Instagram. And I gotta say, I don't know if I'm in love with this product from the pictures that I have seen. There's just something about it that I'm not very fond of. Yeah, here's the Pure. Oh my god, I already dirtied it and I just got it. This is why I can't have white packaging on any type of makeup. So here it is. The Pure Bronze and Brighten. Again, I dirtied it already because I'm a mess. And so basically, I absolutely love it. I do not think this is a bad product. I actually love Pure. Their stuff is usually very very creamy and nice. And so here, there's a mirror, which you know I love. Now, what I'm not very fond of in this is this like very bright orange shade. I feel like this is going to be a little bit of a struggle for me to use. This is Blush and Glow, this is Afterglow, and this is Mineral Glow. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch this. Ugh, this is where I'm like, don't know. So again, Pure doesn't fail me. It is still very creamy, very nice powder. The only problem I'm having is with this bright, here's another, I swatched it twice. This bright orange blush color I don't know if I'll ever use, as well as the bronzer. I feel like it's a little bit too dark for my skin tone and it's a little too shimmery for me. I don't know, maybe it's just how I've always liked my makeup. I mean, it's not a product is bad, it's more of like my preference. But I do really enjoy this. The highlight is absolutely beautiful. The blush is pretty, but I just, again, don't know how it's going to look on my skin tone. I just have to try it out. I'm not going to say I hate it, but I very much love this brand, and their products are absolutely amazing. That is everything I got into my BoxyCharm. Yeah, these products are very nice. I really like them. I think this has been a pretty good box. I really am going to enjoy trying this out and the primer. But yeah, so thank you guys all so much for watching. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos on this channel, make sure you go through and watch all my videos. Make sure you go into my description where I will have linked my last video. So thank you guys all so much for watching. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. I love you so much, and see you later. Goodbye, bye.